Once you have your student cohort class list, if you want to put it into an Excel format so that you can sort it, you'll need to open in Word, take the content from Word, and then paste that into an Excel sheet. Let's look at how to do that. Go ahead and open Word, click File, Open, and browse to where you have your PDF cohort list saved. Follow the prompts. Once you have your list in Word, you can highlight this information. I would recommend also highlighting the titles. Right-click and copy. Open Excel, create a blank workbook. In the A1 cell, right-click and paste. You can click the line between the column headings to expand so that you can read the content in each of the columns. Now you can actually use the down arrow on the title, for example, D of the column. Click your sort and filter. Click the filter. And you'll be able to use this drop down to choose and select just the cohort you want to look at.